This is good for people with asthma. For kids or adult, pwedeng-pwede. Dahil meron na siyang 2 modes of mist flow. Kapag pang kids ang mode, color green ang color ng LED light. And pag pang adult naman ay color blue ang light. It has ultra quiet operation kaya hindi ganun kaingay at talagang makakatulog pa rin ang katabi mo kahit na naging nebulizer ka. And this is portable, kitang-kita nyo naman sa video ito. And hybrid na rin ito dahil pwedeng gamitin using batteries or pwedeng naka-plug in. If you think you need it or your kids need it, alam mo na gagawin.